Please subscribe and like this video to see more crafting content. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make and print my own shipping envelopes and how I save hundreds of dollars a year by doing it myself. To do this, you'll need blank envelopes. I use these white 95-pound A6 envelopes. A6 size is just slightly larger than 4x6, but 4x6 is fine too. And most importantly, a good printer. I use the HP Envy 6055 printer, which, relatively speaking, is pretty cheap and easy to use. But the best part about it is the HP Instant Ink service. To begin, open up canva.com in your web browser. Go ahead and create a new document design at 6.4 inches by 4.5 inches. Here it will open up a blank document. If you haven't used it already, Canva is a great resource. It's a free and easy-to-use web-based design software that allows you to make professional-grade designs for print and digital media. So begin to make your envelope design by starting from a template or from scratch. For my envelopes, this is what I designed, using a variety of text blocks, color blocks, and clip art that I manipulated. When you're happy with your design, go up to the download button and choose PNG, which is the highest file quality. Then once that downloads, open the file in your computer's photo viewer. In the meantime, open up the printer paper tray and grab your envelopes. You want the design printed on the side with the flap, so make sure that the flap is face down and facing the left side in the paper tray. Now with your design image opened up, you want to hit print. This screen could look different depending on what computer you're using, but the big thing is that you want the orientation in landscape and the size of the printed paper in C6 envelope, which is pretty much 4x6. You want it to fill the page and print as many copies as you want. It's always a good idea to do one test copy first to make sure everything looks okay. But this turned out great. The colors are vibrant, it's crisp, it's clean. But the best part is, if you sign up for the HP Instant Ink service, you get 1 month free of ink. So sign up with the link in the description and you'll be on your way to creating professional shipping envelopes for cheap. Please subscribe and like this video to see more crafting content. Check out our shop to see stickers, magnets, ornaments, customs, and more.